This is the second part to my summary. The author includes that the NYPD's main goal is to have all free services offered to their officers, even including prescription medications, which tend to be pretty pricey. They include a resource called Finest Care. This program connects officers with highly qualified psychologists and psychiatrists from different medical centers all across New York. This ensures that it is highly accessible to everybody. A main problem brought up throughout the article is that cops often refuse to seek help because they want to maintain the tough guy culture and persona that is seen throughout police departments. And lastly, they include that the NYPD Inspector General and the City Department of Investigation echoed the NYPD is facing a crisis, which pretty much ties together all of these main points that suicides and problems within mental health is highly increasing and becoming a big problem.